Hello friends, welcome to my channel Commerce Knowledge. In today's video, our topic is marginal costing. In this video, we see the example of the marginal costing. Let's start it. Now we see the question number 3. The ratio of variable cost to sales is 70%. The break-even point occurs at 60% of the capacity sales. Find first capacity sales when fixed costs are rupees 90,000. Second, also compute profit at 75% of the capacity sales. What is given in the question? Here the variable cost to sales is given 70% and we have to find the capacity sales on the basis of this information, and second one, profit at 75% of the capacity sales. So now let's go for the solution. First we put the basic information on the basis of the question. Variable cost to sales is 70%. If variable cost to sales is 70%, we can say that the contribution to sales is 30%, because after deducting variable cost from the selling price, we get the contribution. So here we write the contribution to sale is 30%, 100% minus 70%. Okay. What is this contribution to sales? It is nothing but the PV ratio. And what is PV ratio? It is a contribution divided by sales into 100. So we can say that PV ratio is 30%. Okay. Now put the another information. Fixed cost is given 90,000. And BEP occurs as 60% of capacity sales. Okay. Here we have to find the capacity sales. So what we do, we find the break-even sale first. So what is the break-even sale? It is the fixed cost divided by PV ratio. What is fixed cost? 90,000 divided, what is PV ratio? It is a 30%. So solve this. 90,000 divided by 0.30 is 3 lakh. So BEP sales is 3 lakh. Okay. The question is asked to find the capacity level sales. So we find the capacity sales. It is given that BEP occurs at 60% of capacity sales. Okay. So what we do? BEP sales, break-even sales divided by 60%. How much break-even sales we already find? It is rupees 3 lakh divided by 0.60. So 3 lakh divided by 0.60, we got 5 lakh. So 5 lakh is our capacity sales. Okay. Here we complete our first part. Now we move to the second part of our question. What they ask, also compute profit as 75% of the capacity sales. Here we have to find the profit when capacity sales is 75%. Now we find the profit. What is profit when capacity sale is 75%? To find the profit, we use the marginal statement. First put the sales. How much sales is there? Which is already found in the earlier part. How much it is? It is rupees 5 lakh. But this 5 lakh is at 100% level. We want at 75%. So we take 5 lakh at 75%. How much it is? 5 lakh into 75%. It is 3,75,000. Okay. Less variable cost. It is 3,75,000. How much variable cost is there? It is already given. How much? Variable cost to sales is 70%. Okay. So 0.70 into 0.70, 2,62,500. Now deduct the variable cost from sale. 3,75,000 minus 2,62,500. It is 1,12,500. What it is? It is a contribution. After getting contribution, we deduct the fixed cost. How much it is given? Fixed cost is rupees 90,000. So we deduct 90,000 from the contribution. Now deduct the fixed cost. 90,000. We got 22,500. What it is? It is nothing but our profit. Okay. Here we complete our question. Thanks for watching.